Ishan Kolakkadan.
Hello, happy Diwali everyone. I know Diwali guys also say, but still it's Diwali for us, our university, Anglia Ruskin University. So our full Padward and guess what? This is my first Diwali from London, so it's gonna be awesome. So guys, now I'm a class to Diwali as well. Hi.
Going with one of these.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Do you want to come and join us?
Yeah, I'll join it. So we are going to make that Santa Claus. Right? Amen. Hi. I'm going to Santa Claus.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Okay. So we are here in the Diwali celebration in our university, and here we have to make some things like lalten and all.
Like
This is the piece of lalten we have to make this from our paper. They are my friend Ishan, Rana Saab, and one guy from Telangana. And these are tutors, help us to make
if you give me 2 seconds to brief you.
trace design. So let's see how it goes.
Guys, I'm not good at drawing. She's also not good at drawing. Brother is also.
But I'm sticking.
So we all are trying to make these laltens.
So for the borders continue design trace design confusion. But if they these are designs. I think this is more beautiful. So I'll go for this. For example, let's say let me ask So guys, this is my London, Deepavali London with a fire, artificial fire inside. Artificial fire okay. London like set we have a pizza London and pizza. Ooh, pizza. So let's try it. So guys, we are having the pizzas. Hey man, how is the pizza? You like
Pizza
it?
is very nice, yeah. Very good.
Is it good? Pizza is with some leaves and everything. Pizza no daily.
Actually, I don't know if we have enough. Should we just okay, let me just take out this one.
No, it's okay. You can do whatever.
Are those paste? What are those?
Sorry?
What are those? Are they paste or?
It's sand.
Huh? Sand. Oh, that's sand. Wow. It's sand. Colourful sand. Awesome. So guys, I'm going to Deepavali video. And it's time to end our vlog here. See you in my next video. And to watch more amazing videos like this, you subscribe. Also don't forget to like and share. Bye.